Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about string buffer in Java. By the end of this video, you will understand what string buffer is, why it is used, and how to perform common operations such as append, insert, replace, delete, and reverse. So let's get started. So string buffer in Java. It is a mutable sequence of character. Mutable. That means we can modify the existing string buffer object and it belongs to java.lang package. It is used when string content changes frequently. So whenever we want to modify the existing string content frequently, we will use string buffer. So what is string buffer? As we learned earlier, string objects are immutable. Immutable. Okay. What does it mean? Meaning they cannot be changed after creation. So once string objects has been created, we cannot modify it. So string buffer solves this problem. How? By allowing to modify the same object. That is mutability. We can modify the existing string buffer objects by using built-in methods provided by StringBuffer class. So this makes it useful when frequent string modifications are required. And this is another important point. Allows modification without creating new objects. That means the existing string objects it will modify. Okay. Then why use string buffer? So string buffer is preferred when we need multiple string modifications. So instead of creating new objects repeatedly, it updates the existing object. So thereby improving performance and reducing memory consumption. That's why it has written reduces memory usage, better performance, mutability. Thread stuff we'll understand later, don't worry about this thing, but this is also one of the advantage of string buffer. So whenever we are trying to modify the existing string very frequently, we will go for string buffer. So let's go in IntelliJ and see some examples so that we will have better clarity. Okay. So we are learning string buffer. This is also one of the built-in class provided by Java. Let's create one object. String buffer sb1 equals to new string buffer. Let me create one more string buffer sb2 equals to new string buffer. Let's say hello. Hello is the initial string. Let me create one more string buffer sb3 equals to new string buffer. This time we'll give integer value, okay? That is capacity. So we can create string buffer objects since we are using new keyword in each statement. That means in each statement object is getting created. And what is the type of object? String buffer. So we can create string buffer objects using different constructors. In the later video we'll understand what is constructor. Constructor, that means we're using the same method string buffer, but we are passing different values. Here no value. Here we are passing one string. Here we are passing one integer value. So we can create an empty buffer. We can initialize with string, or we can initialize with initial capacity, that is 50. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, string buffer SB equals to new string buffer, let's say Java. Okay, now I want to append. Append means concatenate at the end of existing string. SB.append. SB is what? String buffer reference variable. Okay, and let me append programming. Now let me print SB. Let's verify from the output. It should be Java programming. Yes, it is Java programming. That means the append method adds text. What text? This text at the end of the existing string. End of the existing string. So it is one of the most commonly used method, append. Okay, let's take another example. String buffer SB equals to new string buffer, and this time I am providing JVA. Okay, by knowingly I am not putting value A in the index 1. Okay, since index starts from 0 and it will go to 1, and at the index 1 A should be there, but it is not there. So what we'll do, insert. We'll use one method called insert, and we'll provide the index. So at first index I want to insert value A, which is missing. So let's print and verify. So output should be Java. Index 1 A is inserted. So what insert method is doing? Insert method adds a characters at a specific position. So the first parameter represents the index, and the second parameter the new value which we want to insert at particular index. Okay, now let's take one more method, and that is sb.replace. Okay, so we'll give a specified range 0, 4, and what value I want to replace. Let's say I want to replace Java with Spring Boot. Now let me print. So what will happen? Whatever characters present in between these indexes 0 to 4, that will be replaced by the string Spring Boot. So that's what replace is doing. Let's verify. What is happening? Okay, I have not added. Inside print statement, we need to add SB. So in the output, you can see Spring Boot. So the replace method substitutes characters within a specified range with a new string value. Okay. Let me comment this all. We'll take another example. We'll initialize StringBuffer object, new StringBuffer. Let's say Java programming. Okay. Now this time we'll use method delete. So what it will do? Let's say I want to delete from index 4 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here it will delete 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. So it will delete whatever characters present in between. Let's verify SB. Here it is. So it deleted the characters present in between 4 to 16. So the delete method removes characters between the specified start and index. Okay. Now let's say we'll see another method. We'll initialize StringBuffer SB equals to new StringBuffer, and let me provide Java. So we will use method reverse. Okay, and we will print SB. So what it will do? It will reverse the sequence of characters stored in this StringBuffer object. So reverse means last character will come first, and likewise first character will come last. So this would be output. Let's verify it. It will reverse. See the output. So last character will come first, second last character will come second, third last. Like that, it will reverse the characters. Okay. Now let me comment these two lines, and I want to print SB dot length and to print SB dot capacity. Since capacity starts from 16, it should print 20. Let's verify. See, so the length of the string is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Capacity by default is 16 plus adding 4 characters, it will return 20. So the length method returns the number of characters. Okay. Whereas capacity returns the total storage available. Okay, before expansion is needed. So that is 16 plus the length of initial string. That's what we initialized. Okay. So when to use StringBuffer? Okay, so StringBuffer is a good choice when strings are modified repeatedly. What does it mean? Frequent string modifications are required. Means very frequently we want to modify what? String. And multiple append operations are performed, as we have seen append method, and we want to do it multiple times, then we should go for string buffer. Okay. String buffer is usually preferred because it provides better performance. And we have seen why better performance. Since it is not creating string object multiple times. Instead, it is modifying the existing object. And that's what we call mutability. Okay. So let me quickly summarize what we have learned so far. So string buffer is a what? Mutable string class. Okay. It is used for string manipulation, string modification. And we explored the common methods: append, insert, replace, delete, reverse. We have seen all these methods with proper examples. And it is better for frequent modification. So that's all for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the string buffer. In the coming video, we'll see what is the difference between string builder and string buffer, so that we'll have better clarity, better understanding between these three built-in classes provided by Java. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.